Hello, boys and girls. I want to practice telling time to the minute with you. I know last week you practiced quite a few times. I would like you to practice again. I'm going to go over some with you, and then you will actually do a few on your own on the next slide. Here I see a clock. I know that your hour hand is your shortest hand. We also learned last week that your hour hand will usually point in between two numbers. You look at the two numbers. It is past the 9, but it has not reached the 10. So that means that it is 9 o'clock. We also learned that the minute hand is our longer hand. The minute hand, you can count each little tick mark, or we know that the numbers equal 5-minute increments. So I'm going to start at 12, which is 0, count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. I did not go all the way to the 7 because the minute hand is not at the 7. So we stopped at 30, and then we counted 31, 32. So the time on this clock is 9:32. Let's look at this clock. Now, boys and girls, here we see our hour hand. And our hour hand looks like it's almost pointing to the 6. That makes me think I need to look at my minute hand. As we know, as the minute hand goes around the clock, it makes the hour hand move closer to the next hour. So the minute hand is almost to the 12. That means that it is not 6 o'clock, it is 5 o'clock. It hasn't reached the 6 yet. It's almost there, but it hasn't reached the 6 yet. So this is 5 o'clock. And now we need to count our minute hands. And we can count starting at 12, which is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. The minute hand is pointing at 59. It is 5:59, and because it's so close to 6 o'clock, that's why that hour hand looks like it's almost to 6 o'clock. It's just not quite there yet. Let's look at this one, boys and girls. So the first thing I want to do is I want to look at my hour hand. Here I can see that my hour hand is in between the 7 and 8. So it has not reached the 8 yet. That means it is 7 o'clock. Our hour is 7. And our minutes, we start at 12, and 12 is 0 minutes. We count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So it is 7:39. All right, let's look at this one, boys and girls. Again, I have my hour hand, and my hour hand is in between the 2 and the 3. So since it has not passed 3, it is 2 o'clock. And then we count our minutes by 5s, starting at 12. 12 is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It is at the 8, so it is 2:40. All right, boys and girls, that's the end of this video. You need to go to your next Google slide and answer those 3 time questions. It's asking you just to tell time to the nearest minute. You will go ahead and type on the Google slide to tell me what time is on each one of those clocks. Thank you and have a great day.